Hlekane swi ri munhu loko a nga zangi a roba bank na kumbe a khoma lutho so ndzi tshama kha ni ti ask ka tona ra swifumo musaneri
iyo nje loyicabangayo robbie bank ilotho. How many times I've been telling you there are so many ways to make money? How many times? Baba.
Yabona ngempela lo mhlaba awuyagoqa.
Imhlolo. uMaNtuli uthi uMastanda ngenze ukuthi usetheleleke ngegciwane lecorona. Le kuma strip club.
Strip club? Mastanda?
Hey.
Yaphila. Kade ngingenomthimba umnganami lana yazi.
Oh. Maybe umhlobo olungileyo soloko uthetha ngaye ngalo lonke ixesha.
Ya shem. Ya yena uright umnganami. Kodwa usangene ke kulezi insuku phela usanda kuthola indaba ezibhlungu kuthiwa unengculaza cabanga. Uphambanelwa ikhanda straight. Ngiyamthanda yena kodwa nje hayi yagula ke manje.
Intoni? HIV?
Cabangani?
Yazi indaba ezilusizi noko ke ezo.
Kona. Kubhlungu shem.
Anginawa maningi sithanda amazokubonga akwanele ukubonga kwami amazokubonga anginawa maningi sithanda amazokubonga
Wenkosikazi uzwile nje ukuthi le ntombazane nomthimba bathi negcikwane.
Hayibo.
Akutshela.
Hayibo baba ngizwe kuthiwa phela umfana lo qashe kuthina uSem ufuna ukumshada.
Yeah, what counts is love. Angeleni nje abantu bathandane.
Hayibo ngiyakubona kokuthandana kodwa uthini ngegciwane?
Uthini kwala? Abantu bayathandana nje nabayeka nje bathandana. Inkinga yenu nje ukuthi lina mali bona abantu bethandana nisuke nicabangele ucansi nje. Phela.
Awume kancane manje.
Yini manje?
Uma ngabe nithandana. Vele kuhamba kufike la nikhuluma khona ngezocansi.
Kuyafika.
Phela ukuthandana akona nje ukuthi siyahamba sibambene ngezandla siyajola. Cha, kuzofika isikhathi la kuzofanele silale khona senze ucansi.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa lokho. Ngicela nje ungiphathele amanzi mama la.
Ayikho fe kodwa lento baba kumfana.
Ngekho fe kanjani?
Hayi ukuthi ashade nentombazane enengculaza.
Abantu laba bayathandana nje. Yini nje iproblem ukuthi line jealous nje linabantu. Ekana abantu bathandana. Ngicela ungiphathele amanzi.
Tom, ngicela uphathele ubaba wakho amanzi mfana wami.
Awuyeke Tom.
Okay.
You've started with your laziness now.
How?
I just asked you for a glass of water. A glass of water from the fridge. What's difficult about that? Now you want to disturb my son reading.
Ngiyaxolisa.
Uyeke ma.
Hamdan. Yeah, right. Njani? Oh, usafikile. Okay, ngiyaza manje. Okay, sharp. Ngizokubona manje bye.
Hello, Councillor. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
I have good news for you. You are negative of the COVID-19 virus.
Yes, thank God. Oh, thank you so much, Councillor. Thank you.
However, you have to be extra careful and observe social rules. The virus is still out there.
I fully understand. How? Thank you so much once again.
Okay, you're welcome. You take care of yourself.
I hope this is the last time for me to see you with my eyes.
Come on. Awuzukhumbula lokho? Why acting ngathi ngikukhumbule lama goodies? Usho? How much is it? Let's see.
Mamelaka, this is 12,000 rands. Then this. Now, get off my car. Get out of my car.
I'm taking only 6,000 rand. It's gonna be enough for me. I'm good with this one. The remaining 6,000.
I'll show you. Sasa nginoloze ngimazi. Ungichazele kwenzeni yini eshintshile ngawo?
You know where to find me. You have my numbers, right?
Wemzala. Ayisazalwa ngekhathi esimbi shem.
Ya kunjalo mzala. It's a pity ngoba emva kwale corona izinto azange zabuyela endaweni yazo. Nomzana yazi nginodaba olubalekile ebengifuna ukuthi ke ngiludingide nawe.
Kumayelana ngani mzala? Hawu yazi mzala ngiyathemba nje it's not from this woman of mine.
Hayi cha, ngiyacabanga ukuthi ke lo idaba lofuna ke mina nawe sibhekene mathupha. Hayi nje through phone call cha, kufuneka nje sibhekene sobabili.
Mzala yazi ngithemba nje ngizokutshela mina mase ngifree. Uyabona mzala? Hayi. Kulungile ba.
Bekubani la?
Uqalile manje.
Ngenzeni?
Uhamba ugcwalisa nje indaba zomuzi wethu yonke le ndawo le.
Hayibo.
Yini inkinga yakho Mantuli?
Angikaze mina ngize ngihambe ngikhuluma ngifunana nawe. Bekufanele phela ngimfonele uSqueeze ngithi udade wenu after all.
Kahle kahle wena mfazi uyadelela wena. Indawo yonke lesisazi ngendaba zomuzi wami. Wena ngomlomo wakho omkhulu lo. Ngiyakutshela wena.
Ngiyaxolisa yena bengaqondile ukucisula.
Yazi. Awuthi ngihlale phansi.
Timber. I'm so glad you've come back for counseling, Nana. You still have a bright future ahead of you. Yeah. HIV is not a death sentence. You know that?
Please forgive me. Utinji, I was confused by the result. I didn't know what to do. I even ended up running away from home. My parents.
You ran away from home.
Yes.
I understand. You know why? Because some people even commit suicide when they find out that they're HIV positive. I'm glad you didn't.
I'm ready now. I've accepted and I'm ready to live a positive life.
I'm glad to hear that. That's good. That's very good.
Thank you.
Now how about I take you home?
Please.
Let's go.
Okay.
Esho, Jaka. Azange ntse ke nahana mfethu hore o ka janga ka thola spaninyana se se ga senyana mfethu so tla nkenyetsa at least tšhelete e bonahalang wa nthola hore at least mfethu lenyano le nanang ha le fihla ke be ke le ready ila stress mfethu.
Grasp now is in Jaka. Dunga o tsengena ko no so obya shata side ntoko. Bonya get least side gig jone go faka something now and then abo. Go tla khona manager this wedding.
Utsho. Aish. Mara mfethu mo ka se Wa bona lwana mokazi mfethu, ha hona niks e serious o nkang wa e thola e tla o fa tjhelete e bonahala. Unless e fikisa something tse illegal.
I know a friend of mine on Facebook e leng hore o ira ntho tsa di-trading in Bitcoin.
Mfethu ke utlwile ntho ya di-Bitcoin man.
In fact, that guy mfethu per week sometimes with 300,000 rand. And then almost a month with 100,000 rand. I'm telling you that.
Ke sa rata jalo ka re ke scam nyana ntho ya mfethu o teng motho etsang 100,000 almost a week or ke almost a month.
Sometimes.
Mfethu tshwantse hore
That's a lot of money, man. So I think you should consider it.
wena o kile kene wena
Mara mfethu tla go shaya ke ntho e leng gore mfethu at the end of the day mfethu in most cases ke lenyalo la gago mfethu abo wena se ntse lo push it ka ba sa le push lo ka bathe ska compare le nna wena eng
mfethu okay mfethu tse ke nana nsendele number ya hae njaka ka WhatsApp then ke tle ke bone hore na nka kopanya jwa mfethu. Mfethu ke eng ka gore ke stress jaaka dintsha
sister sentle ka go ba ke no nagana ka life boy
ke rata ntho gore mfana wa nahanela jalo ka god man
something jaaka ntho
mfethu
bana o ya kana ka
awe re no nana gore lo shewa Zulu ka mfethu re bona dintsha
plantsa
ka hada
ka mfa
ha re mo cheka
mo di motho ntsa o fa ya fanda
ha mfethu o shapo ke mo ya go tholetse re ntse stress se sa di wedding mfethu di 100,000 antho
Sitting my face. How are you?
So funny.
Good.
Oh,
How was your day?
come on, girls. Come on, sorry.
Very good.
No,
Can I have my hug, my kiss? How?
baby, cannot be splashing money and buying some things like this, man.
How, babe? Don't you want to be happy once in a life, NJ? Hi, boo. I have everything under control.
If you control any category with somebody,
I have everything under control. Can you believe me? Can you trust me?
there's control any category with somebody.
So you don't trust me? How many times I've been telling you that? Your girl
Aye.
have everything under control. Are we taking back to the shop? Wow.
Oh,
Look at you.
God.
Look at this.
Hey, man, I'm so good.
The new man.
Baby, love going to some mandela mali.
Come yeah. Hey, I told you.
How does he make more money?
Did I not tell you? Are you happy?
Of course.
Okay. So you trust me now?
Of course, I trust you. I want to trust. Not somebody.
Hey, I'm tired. I want to go and vacation.
All right, no problem. We do that.
And then we're gonna catch up once I'm done. So fine.
Baby, well, I'm going to Magata pregnancy test.
What?
No, let Magata pregnancy the one on Jonathan.
Oh, I didn't tell you about it. I was not feeling well, you know? So I was like, let me just find out if everything is okay.
Baby, now I saw my end and I'm not condoms.
But wait.
So what is it?
Do you trust these things, Wena? Hey, things are happening. People get pregnant while they're using condoms or lube or whatever you can think of. So if you do not feel well as a woman, what do? You check. Oh, do you want a child?
Hey, I love some women.
I was thinking maybe. Okay, I'm going to bath.
All right, sure, babe. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Ayisho umuhle mngani wami. Look at yourself. Not bad nje, looking like a Kardashian sis.
Kodwa Tom, sungenza ngibe namahloni phela manje.
Hayi,
Sinqoma kangaka ngathi udlala ngami nje.
yazi angidlali nokudlala. Yazi I wish angidlali nokudlala. Hayi umuhle, look at your hair.
Manake, kulo buhle ngitshela ngakho. Unganginikeza bani nje la? Unikeza bani out of 10?
Isingale outfit Chomi.
On a
10 out of 10.
Serious.
Ibokolina.
Please leave me alone. Hello, babe. I'm good in yourself. Why are you doing this to me?
Are you trying to play hard to get?
Get right. This is my friend Nomtimba. Ngihlale ngikhuluma ngayo.
Hi, Mona Lisa. Oh, Mona Nomtimba.
Sorry, Mona Lisa.
Monela Manistina Sam. Ke kata nje igama kaMona. Ngingalazi.
Relax.
Kumele ngihambe nengizokubona.
Hamngani, bese uhamba nawe nje.
Angithi uyazi ukuthi kumele ngipheke, yazi right, angithi umuntu wakho, kumele ngithole quality time together.
Mngani nami ayingijabulisike nje lento yakho mina. Kodwa ke ngizohamba Chomi. Just give me 2 hours ngizobuya ngidlule kini. Ngikubone
Fine,
mina.
Chomi,
Kodwa mngani nami usho to right.
Angi-right, noma ungathatha, take your time. Ngizokubona ne?
I'm not happy kodwa.
Simazama.
Yebo. Ngiright baby njani?
Wow, these two they look good together, eh? And you can tell already that in real life.
Yeah, they are. Anyway, baby, until when I okay.
Oh, Nani, remember when I told you about the Bitcoin thing?
But
Yeah, baby. Actually, I'm just going and trying it, yabo. And then I spoke with Marikimang investor AAT. It sounds so convincing and Ingari raises enough money to have this dream. Man. This wedding it's gonna be a success. Believe you me.
I've been telling you, but I expect a big ceremony, Mus.
No, baby. This wedding will be the talk of the town the whole year. Retrend, man. I'm Tolamus. I got you.
You don't get it. Salona guy when I'm to such a big money in such a short period of time.
Baby, don't worry. Trust me, please. It will work.
Okay.
Thank
You
you.
insist then.
Oh, Mara. Excuse me,
Hawu, baba. Baba.
Yes, mama.
Baba. Adulele ngiyacabanga ukuthi usulambile. Bese ngiphekile vele. So ngaya kokuphakela noma uzoqala ngokugeza.
Hawu Mantuli. Kodwa nje sesishada iminyaka ewu-15 namanje ngitshela ukuthi awazi wena ukuthi angidli ngingakagezi nje.
Hawu baba. Kodwa sikhona isidingo sokuthi sihleze silwa ngaso sonke isikhathi baba. Kanti inkonzo yasekamareni yona ingena nini baba?
Hawu. Hawu sithanda sami.
Hawu mina.
Ngiyaxolisa baby. Boza lapha sitofuza. Hawu. Yazi ngiyakuthanda ngithi?
Ngiyakuthanda.
Bona ke. Uthi ngivuke ke mina ngiyogeza ne?
Okay.
Hawu geza manje.
I am now deciding to have someone.
Alright, my baby.
What's going on with champagne? How do we celebrate?
Look, you just wait for the champagne, okay? Pop that, we cheers to that, and that's it.
Can you see I'm shaking? Ngijabule?
Come on, legs. Legs. I'm gonna tell you, relax, don't worry. Okay. Oh, here we go.
Is that the one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Exactly the one. Oh my god.
I guess you'll be doing the honors.
Of course.
Thank you, my darling. You're welcome. Enjoy, guys. Thank you so much.
You gotta stop shaking. Nah, you gotta stop.
You can see
You gotta stop.
I'm excited. Me jump in there. Woo! Yes, yes, daddy. Oh my
All right,
gosh.
so
Beautiful water.
relax.
How is it?
Just so this.
Oh. I'll drink to that.
All right, my baby. Langot. Anak sigatin man. Ito magandang atubula about making money.
Are you sure you want to learn? That's my man.
Sure, babe. Wabona lava mali man. At ba nagaendla shingwana even if it's little.
Okay. But you know your woman, I do not break no rules. But I do dance it a little. If you know what I mean.
Well, that's even better.
Okay, my love. I'm excited about this. Listen.
Okay.
There's this guy I used to date.
Okay.
Before I met you. Did you get that?
It's fine.
I used to date him. So I have a plan. He's a very respectable man, and now he is married to this kind of woman. So obviously he doesn't want a massage and stuff. So we're not gonna do anything,
Okay.
right? I want him to be our project, right?
Okay.
Listen, you're not gonna do anything. You're just gonna somewhere there taking videos, pictures of us, and then that's it.
My baby, and then I want to vlog yung blackmail and
Look at you. Something like that. I'm glad you were shashanok food, I guess. Shashanok food.
Sir mo na malaptala mo.
Not a lot. But listen to this. He haven't asked us to get money. Do you get it?
Parang banse bona. Lokro mo lang na malaptala. Wife na kay risk kasula sa ni kota iya jelly makamarin songo so.
Tell me something. $500,000 is not money to you. It's just a question. Okay. If we can get that 500,000, you're not even doing anything. You're there by the corner, like a spine, Yana. So, do you get me? 500,000.
Langot. Marawe nga kung mo wala nga lang balang na ulan.
Okay, my love. Do you have option B? It's okay. You know how I work. If you feel like this guy, it's not gonna do anything for us, this project is not gonna work for us, tell me.
Okay.
Ngizobashaya bayekele linda ngizobashaya ngizobateta
Izosebenza mfana wami. Ake sibo.
Okay.
Uqinisile?
Awuzweke. Yabona.
Aha. Ake kubonakala kodwa.
Ukhulele.
Hemonika. Asangithi uthi kipho sana kuwo ukuthi ngidlala ukuthi mfana kipho sana nginyaka ufile soro sami. Singifithu.
Isibu kuletsa mfuthu.
This manager is a very big person, mama. Unezithemba, mama. Uyashouta sonke isikhathi. I cannot be patient for that, mama. I tried, but I failed. Ungisakhona, mama, ngixolisa. Phinda lapha.